The countdown to Samsung's highly anticipated Unpacked event is on, and the hype around the new Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Galaxy S23 Ultra is reaching fever pitch. While the tech world is buzzing about the rumor specs and features of these new flagship phones, a recent leak has added even more excitement to the mix. It seems that a retailer in Nicaragua may have gotten their hands on the Galaxy S23 Ultra well before its official unveiling, giving us just a glimpse of what's to come. With so many leaks and rumors swirling around, it's hard not to get excited about the next generation of Samsung smartphones. So, while Samsung is planning to officially showcase the Galaxy S23 series on the 1st of February by keeping a lid on information, most details of this upcoming device still somehow managed to leak. And the latest leak almost reveals the Galaxy S23 Ultra in the flesh. As we mentioned earlier, a retailer in Nicaragua shared some images of unreleased Galaxy S23 Ultra with packaging. Even some of these images show the unboxed pink S23 Ultra laying face down with the S Pen on top of it. However, this massively confirms the 4 colors of the upcoming flagship, including the Phantom Black, Green, Lavender, and Cream. In addition, the same retailer has also shared the images of the Galaxy S23 Plus's boxes. Not just that, there's also a leaked hands-on video of the S23 Ultra that's posted by a Twitter account known as Alvin. All of these leaks were posted on Facebook by the store, but unfortunately the post appears to have been taken down. No worries, you can still find them on /leaks site. Furthermore, there are images that show the camera specs. If you look at the image, you'll notice the upcoming S23 Ultra has a 200 megapixel camera that can shoot 8K videos at 30 FPS. From the same Twitter account, we got another video which shows us the store that has the phone is already making some camera tests. Let's talk about the design. According to Ice Universe, the display is the only aspect of the Galaxy S23 Ultra that will be significantly improved compared to the S22 Ultra. Although the specific details of the upgrade have not been disclosed yet, it's believed that the changes will be relatively minor and may include improvements in power efficiency or brightness rather than a major overhaul such as a higher resolution or refresh rate. Also, rumors suggest the upcoming Galaxy S23 Ultra might come with an OLED panel that will have a peak brightness of 2000 nits. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is likely to feature the latest technology from chipmaker Qualcomm, specifically the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. This new processor offers improved performance and power efficiency compared to the previous generation, as well as advanced AI capabilities and new camera features. However, rumor says the Galaxy S23 Ultra is tipped to get a custom version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which lends further credence to the idea of one chip for all regions, as well as tip better performance for Samsung's phones. Also, the entire S23 lineup could get the latest Qualcomm 3D Sonic Max fingerprint reader. As for the release date, the upcoming Galaxy S23 series will be unpacked on 1st of February alongside other devices. And yes, if you pre-order before the Unpacked event, you can get a $50 and a $100 if you pre-order too. In short, the upcoming flagship smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy S23 series, is gonna make a big blast with its top-notch features. Even the latest leaks confirm the 200 megapixel on S23 Ultra is real. Moreover, it's expected to come with a custom chipset from Qualcomm, so that's all we have for today. Thanks for watching the video. Like and share it with your friends if you found this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.